Today is a good day in trucking. One of the days that kind of make you happy. I'm in here cleaning the Peterbilt. I went in, I was asleep, I just woke up, and I had to go in and see what's going on with my delivery appointment. But as I come out, I seen this truck in me, and I heard people talking as I was like getting myself together. And I used to pull containers, so he's sitting in the middle of a lot like he is, and I'm like, and there's only one thing that can happen when a guy's sitting in the middle of a lot like that, because of how low the glad hands sit on containers is down there where that orange is. I'm like, man, this guy broke a dang glad hand. You know, I know that's what happened. He broke the red glad hand. I've done that so many times with the W9 when I used to haul containers. Hell, with any of my trucks, pretty much. It just happens sometimes. It gets snagged or whatever. So I go inside and I checked in, or not checked in, but talked to them about my load, and I come back out, and neither one of those guys I just showed are the guys that's driving the truck. I come out and I start talking to the guy, and I'm asking him what's up and kind of tell him my trick of how I used to go around the situation, but he said, he's gonna try something else because the guy in the big vest is giving him a hand, and they're figuring something out. I said, okay, cool. And then now there was another guy that was out there helping him too. So makes me feel good because, instead of guys sitting in their trucks and just watching him try to figure it out, they're actually out there helping him get the situation situated. So it's like, it's a good day, so I definitely want to share this video. I want people to see, we still are banding together out here to try to help each other out. And I was watching this. I had to go around this side of the truck instead of the other side of the truck, and he's almost gonna hit them. So, but yeah, it's pretty cool, man. Good day in trucking today. Wish the freight rates would come up. And I finally attacked the sound system in this truck. Just a little bit. Things that was annoying me. Couldn't figure out, wasn't trying to figure it out, but didn't like that I couldn't listen to music while I was driving, and still had all the factory audio in it from 2007. Here is one side, it's not bad, but here's the other side. I don't know if you can see that dry rod, all that gone. That speaker surround is gone. And you can't listen to nothing. Everything you listen to had a crackle, pop, or some kind of noise to it, and you couldn't enjoy it. So went ahead and just threw these Sonys in there for now, and they work. Got another one for you Peterbilt guys. Where in the heck do you eat your food? Like, at least in my W9, they got a little thing you can fold down a table. Kenworth, you can fold down the table, you can eat at the table. Where your table at in this thing? I got chicken and waffles I'm trying to eat. I'm trying to eat these chicken and waffles, you know what I'm saying? I ain't got nowhere I can eat them. I gotta sit right here and eat them. That's probably why I see all the Peterbilt guys sitting in their seat all the time in docks. Makes sense now. Whoa. If you want to be different, that's different, y'all. guess you can make it yourself. extended the sleeper himself, looks like. Okie dokie.